but it's also day before NFP, so a lot of like classic Thursday probably could either not happen or happen even more. So yeah, 5 minute order block holding, 15-minute holding. So we'll see if news can flip delivery, but I don't know. Oh man. But I mean, this 5 minute has been, excuse me, 5 minute has been cell model, order block, delivery, failure, hit, failure, hit, failures, hit. Like the delivery is bare, but London protraction ideas still has me inclined for classic Friday. The only thing that sucks is like the wick on here is like nothing. So news out in 4. I'm totally fine ES sitting here. NQ if it wants to grab RTH low, that'd be cool. But in terms of the sell side delivery, it's probably good. So you could see maybe like a rejection block idea. YM is definitely catching a fade. So yeah, especially if we just keep kind of moving on down. And again, it could be expansion lower. It really could be just because RTH was the Judas that it was in terms of just the up close candle on the sell side of the curve. Be interesting to see what happens with it. So RTH low getting hit minutes before news. Dixie broke this low right before news. So the pop idea not as strong anymore. But it can still trade down through this range, which is cool. But did it previously high Monday? It must. Okay. Well, I guess it did that Monday. But yeah, especially on the news. See what happens. See what happens to these premiums. Maybe like a 420 or 421. If they dump hard, because 50-cent move would kill this 20 cents ish. So yeah, 5 minute sell model still in effect, truthfully. But again, SMT on London lows. I'm not too inclined. YM's going to hit this VIB. So that's cool. So they're trading lower. News is in literally 6 seconds. So let's see here. See if we can dump. Oh, it's in 66 seconds. So I kind of want to front run the news for calls, but I really don't. Because even like this Dixie could just be used for expansion lower. That means pop on news. It running this slow right now, hitting 1 hour order block is pretty good. Also, that reaction is pretty nice. I want to see if I can, just do something. Just do something. So, but if it pops on news, then we're fucked. So. So front running news dump. That's our buying. That guy hits Nas long. I really just got spread about 15 on the CME somehow. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. I paid 60 for that, really? Nothing. Sure. So, news came in. There was that FOMO close crush. So Dixie did end up popping. So now it's more so seeing what kind of move we get. That really filled me 290. That's crazy. That's crazy. Just long Dow. We're still in Nasdaq. We took like 20 points of heat on a 290 fill. I'm low-key convinced, even though this is the quote-unquote the CME feed, there's still something going on there. Like a lot of my orders are getting spread like 3 or 4 handles easily. It's kind of nuts. It really is. So I don't know. I ain't gonna be that guy though. You can't rig the CME supposedly. Supposedly, but we're in everything off of that. So now we can see if we can make it to 363, or at the very, very least, 350, whatever this is. Fair swings would be cool. But now it's just waiting game. What did oil do? Oil's really gonna run it back. That's funny. Now, maybe it's getting crushed. I don't know. We're barely in drawdown. We're about 7 points drawdown right now because again we got that 290 fill. But if the 5 minute sell model wants to finish, well then there you go for that. But I think I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch the recording of that because this thing just spiked into nothing. For nothing. So and again we got 2 options going. Some 421s. And especially with options, if you could abuse spikes, you can get some very, very good like premium abuses. That's the way to put it. Because like it crashing just kills the premiums hard. So a pop, even a retracement back upwards, will will put it at least break even profit, whatever. Depending on how red of a candle you're buying on, truthfully. But at this point, I would say it's really just waiting it out. There's no reason to exit anything. ES implied FVG on the hourly if you want to be that guy. So maybe. We'll see though. Very easily go lower, easily do whatever it wants in all honesty. But I'm honestly fine with the execution time because that was 10:09. Yeah, bro, that's just some fidgety nut stuff. I don't know. So, but we'll see. Yeah, somehow this candle filled me 90. when we hit the button, it was down here. That's crazy. That's crazy. But what are you gonna do? What you gonna do? So now we get to wait, pause the recording, and we are literally just gonna vibe, tape read, GTFO. Did Dixie hit 107? Oh, it might have. I wanted up here, even though this was pretty much breakaway. I kind of wanted it. So, but this order block is cool. Also, 8:30 to New York session. New York session based news. Yeah. So now that we ran this low, ran lower low from 9:30 also. So Dow doing its thingy ding. We have no reason to sell anything right now. So now we'll wait. And we'll see if this is Enigma Shuffle. These lows here, manipulation. People think this high was a manipulation. They're just gonna get expanded through, just yeeted on. And especially as we're going into this, it's important to watch the bodies of the candle. See how they get respected or treated. This wick here, because even something like this, you can trade back through opening price and just buy stop it. Like rejection block, degen strat ideas, basically. And put your stop loss underneath the low of the candle that prints after crossing through the open. Don't think so. Good luck. Okay. Well, I'm getting inversed in my cord. So we'll see. But you gotta swing and dive high your sword, Jet. So maybe you want a rejection block idea, which is fine, honestly. Because if they really bought down here, delayed London protraction, you run every failure swing, including this one, hit that, and then all of a sudden. And again, we had all these stack ties, even though there was the turtle at 7. Again, that turtle at 7 is totally fine. All the failure swings afterwards got me inclined for it to be liquidity. And again, it could roll. I mean, it really could, but for a New York session, that'd be kind of trolly to roll over like that and not start some type of large expansion just to generate again, unless they want like a PM run. But again, it's day before NFT. They can do anything. So that's like the copium side of it of like what could happen. But I got no qualms on nothing. We're just gonna hold our call, see if we can get above 350, 360, and wait. But as we're doing that, we should be looking for the key things. Down close support. We have CSD now. We got is that a VIB? That is a VIB. There is a VIB here at 85. So it could come back down to it. We'll see if it wants to say, oh, I'm balanced. Goodbye. That'd be the coolest. But you can't ask this thing to do anything. Especially when you're submitting to something you can't control. You have to be very, very open to it. See what it does. But based on the news and everything, it makes a lot of sense. Ain't gonna lie to you. Especially Dixie hitting that pop. If it just wants to FEGN retrace as well, hitting whatever this VIB was. If it just wants to roll the fade, again, that would be the coolest. And it would make the most sense in all honesty, because again, you can still run through this range here. Down to at least this VIB at 307, whatever that is. So, Dow, scooching. Dax scooching. So yeah. We can keep waiting. We're going to pause it though, because nothing to really do right now. We're in everything. So we'll just wait and see. And just keep tapering it along. But again, these, especially DAC failure swings, 1, 2, 3, I'm down just to move up just cause. So, same thing, ES. Bodies, holding, flipping, all that stuff. And even 1003, I guess. 1003 was literally the launch candle. We'll see. Oh, oil's a god. 5-minute order block. Goodbye. And again, that, especially that, and yeah, the oil shuffle itself was comical. Running especially open, outcry, open, decline just at 9 immediately. Just boom, 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 boom. That's scaring everybody to think short from yesterday. Just keep going short, blah, blah, blah. Hit this 8 a.m. open and then run those stops. Once you protect that, deep retracement, OTE, all that, huzzah. And you can moon oil as well. So the tapering has been nothing less than S tier right now, truthfully. So, but we'll be back and we will wait. All right, so Nasdaq's up 60, 89 bucks on the calls, about 100% almost. So we're about to peel these guys off so we can chill. Actually, no, we should just play the time game. Yeah, we should actually play the time game. I don't know why we would consider selling that, to be honest. That's just being scared. We hit the first target, 56, 57. So even if you're not going for, quote unquote, the turtle, you hit the failure swings, which is cool. So I'm going to yoink out 64, 62, whatever that was, on the eval, just for math's sake. We're going to cut both of these guys. So cool money's there. And again, we just boom, boom, low to high, 1, 2, moonshot, huzzah. Now, as for like the classic day, could we keep going? Sure. But I'm not trying to find nothing either. We actually did pretty solid today, so I'm not gonna start yapping and doing something crazy now, especially for being the day before NFP. I think it's actually wise just to kind of yoink out of all that. So we might actually just be done. That might be it. So that was the fastest trade in North America, literally 10 minutes. In a straight moonshot, 60 NASDAQ. Yeah. 90 bucks. That's cool. $90 never hurt anybody. Yeah. We'll see, though, if we just... which we still should if we want to play, like, time-based exit. We really should just keep expanding. Because, again, we can even get a retracement up to up close here or anything like that and keep going. So, but in terms of the eval math, I kind of wanted just to call it there. If I can just catch, which I will, if I do that again tomorrow, pass the test on Monday, and then by Tuesday we're farming. We're literally farming by Tuesday, so we'll see. But other than that, yeah, pretty solid skedaddle, and we will go from there.